Have you ever finished cleaning your home, stepped back, and still felt unsatisfied? The house doesn't feel fresh, the mess comes back too fast, and you're left wondering, why is cleaning so exhausting? What if I told you the real problem isn't your effort? It's the cleaning myths you've been taught to believe. Myths passed down for years that sound logical, feel normal, but actually waste your time, energy, and money. Today, we're exposing the biggest cleaning lies that are secretly holding you back. And once you hear the truth, your entire routine will change. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss smart, honest cleaning advice like this. Myth number 1. A clean home means cleaning every day. One of the biggest myths people believe is that a clean home requires daily deep cleaning. This idea creates guilt, stress, and burnout. In reality, daily deep cleaning is unnecessary and unrealistic. Clean homes are built on small habits, not constant effort. When you clean a little at the right time, mess never piles up. People who clean less often have cleaner homes because they prevent chaos instead of reacting to it. Myth number 2, more cleaning products. Minians, better results. Many people think having a cabinet full of sprays, powders, and chemicals means better cleaning. In truth, too many products slow you down. You waste time choosing, switching, and storing them. Professionals rely on fewer multi-purpose products because simplicity speeds up cleaning. Most surfaces don't need a special cleaner. They need consistency and correct use. Myth number 3, strong smell means truly clean. This myth tricks millions of people. A strong fragrance does not mean cleanliness. It means perfume. Many air fresheners and scented cleaners only mask odors instead of removing the source. A truly clean home smells neutral, not overpowering. When you stop chasing scent and start removing dirt, moisture, and buildup, freshness becomes natural and long-lasting. Myth number 4, scrubbing harder cleans better. Scrubbing harder feels productive, but it often causes damage. Excessive force scratches surfaces, wears out tools, and tires you faster. Smart cleaning is about letting products and time do the work. When you allow cleaners to sit and break down grime, wiping becomes easy. Myth number 5. If it looks clean, it is clean. This myth is sneaky. A surface can look clean while still harboring odor, residue, or bacteria. That's why messes and smells mysteriously return. Myth number 6. Cleaning must take hours to be effective. Many people delay cleaning because they believe it requires large time blocks. This leads to weekend cleaning marathons that feel exhausting. The truth? Short, frequent cleaning moments are far more effective. 5 minutes here and there prevents the need for long sessions. Myth number 7. Fabric softener makes laundry better. This myth feels comforting, but it's wrong. Fabric softener coats fibers with residue, reducing absorbency and trapping odors over time. That's why towels feel rough and clothes smell stale faster. Removing buildup, not adding more, is what improves laundry results. Myth number 8. Floors need constant mopping. People over-mop floors, thinking it's the only way to keep them clean. In reality, frequent wet mopping spreads dirt if floors aren't pre-cleaned. Myth number 9. Cleaning is about perfection. This myth causes more stress than mess. Cleaning doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be functional. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this video helped you rethink how you clean, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest, smart home advice. Share this with someone who feels stuck in cleaning, because sometimes the biggest mess is misinformation.